Whiten your teeth with tomatoes. Healthy teeth and gums are a very important part of our overall health. Many of us spend quite a bit of money on teeth whitening products in pursuit of a brighter smile. Surprisingly, having perfectly white teeth is not always an indicator of good health. There are a number of factors that can cause our teeth to yellow over time, like coffee, diet, oral hygiene, and genetics that can dull a naturally white smile. Rather than opening up our wallets, we've compiled a cost-effective remedy to get whiter teeth. Some causes discoloration are: too much tea or coffee. Excess of anything can turn out to be harmful, and same is the case with excess consumption of tea or coffee. Drinking too much tea or coffee stains the teeth. Not only do they erode the enamel, but they also make the teeth stickier, which causes food particles to latch on. Sugary drinks, it's a mix of acidity and sugar, both of which are bad for the teeth. If you still want a glass or two once in a while, then we suggest you drink quickly instead of sipping on it over a long period of time, and rinse your mouth after. Smoking, this is probably the worst cause for tooth decay and discoloration. It damages the teeth beyond repair. Not only does it make them yellow, in some cases it also leaves behind permanent gray marks that can't be removed. Brushing right after eating, this might seem harmless and even good, but dentists suggest you drop this habit. The acid and sugar produced when we eat weakens the enamel temporarily, and brushing it at the time weakens it further. Ideally, wait for half an hour or more, or brush before eating and rinse your mouth after the meal. Tomato toothpaste. Slightly acidic in nature, tomatoes contain high contents of potassium, vitamin C, antioxidant and antityrosinase that help bleaching your teeth. Lemons are chock full of nutrients, making them one of the healthiest fruits available. It's also known for getting things clean, hence all the lemon-scented cleaning products. That can apply to your teeth, as well. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of tomato juice, half lemon juices, half a teaspoon of toothpaste. Process: in a bowl, mix everything well until you have a paste. Then, put some of the mix on your toothbrush, and brush up to 2 minutes. Spit and rinse with water until the water comes out clear. Prevention tips: brush and floss twice daily or after every meal if possible. Do not overeat sugary or high-carb foods. In case you do eat them, brush your teeth immediately. Avoid foods, drinks that can stain your teeth like coffee, red wine, blueberries, and beetroot. Quit smoking and/or chewing tobacco. Get your teeth cleaned by a dentist every 6 months.